Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
If you have seen that every year it is hovering around 100, though we have shown that statistics in 2025 it has reduced. But mostly my understanding has been two-wheeler accidents have been on the rise, and a lot of fatalities and lot of injuries also. Wearing of helmets. I know that many people don't like to wear helmets. So Supreme Court has given direction that helmet has to be worn by both the rider and the pillion. I know that many people won't like what I'm saying today, but that is the law. And that we have seen lot of children, people getting injured after falls from two-wheeler especially, or when they hit any place.
पणजेन जाल्लो एक्सिडंट जो सगळ्याक व्हायरल जालो सगळ्यांनी पळयलो आसतलो. फुटपाथार तो बाबडो उबो आशिल्लो, ताणें रिवर्स गाडी घेतली आनी हाडून तेच्या फुटपाथार उबो आशिल्लो थंय मारली. तो 4 दिसांनी एक्सपायर्ड जालो. हांव ताका मॉनिटरी करतालो ते ताचें कांयच चूक ना. 19 वर्साचो भुरगो. म्हाका दिसता आमच्या ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचो सर्क्युलर इश्यूय केला विथ हेल्मेट फॉर बोथ. तो इश्यूय केला. जर नोटीस जर आसत जाल्यार हांव चॅक करता आनी हांव दिता की ऑफकोर्स म्हणजे स्वताच्या सेफ्टी खातीर हेल्मेट दोगांय जाणांनी वापरप हे गरजेचें आसा. पण आमच्या ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचो सर्क्युलर इश्यू केला.